Small spicy grilled chicken, no, spicy crispy salad, Caesar salad.
Please, you want a big one or small?
Small. Small, please.
Small, you don't want grilled chicken in that.
No, I'll have the crispy spicy chicken.
You just replace grilled with spicy.
Yeah.
That's it?
Can I have 2 smoothies, 1 chocolate?
Mom, not a smoothie.
A frosty.
Oh, frosties. 1 chocolate and 1 vanilla, sorry.
We don't have a vanilla.
Okay, I'll have 2 chocolate.
Small, medium, large.
Small, please.
That's it?
Yeah.
You can mark. Thank you.
What did I say, a smoothie?
Yeah. I could take both, Mom. I could take both.
Thank you. Have a good day.
You already touched it, so yeah, but now you have to wash your hands too. That one just smells like regular Purell. Yeah, it does. This vlog isn't going to be going out for a while, but happy Mother's Day to all you moms that might be watching. I hope that you had a really special day and that you got spoiled rotten the way that moms deserve to be. You guys are just awesome. I hope that your day was great. My dad's cooking dinner and then we're gonna have another piece of the homemade cake. We made a homemade cake for Mother's Day on Sunday. If you didn't see that, the video went up on Wednesday, so it'll be right here, and it was good. It was more dry than box cake, but it was still amazing. So good. Guys, look, I showered and I put on mascara. That's like a first. So this is day 1 of me trying intermittent fasting and it's only 11:20 and I'm absolutely starving. I'm usually one, like I have to have breakfast in the morning or else I can't survive throughout the day. So the fact that I'm not passed out yet is like a miracle. I think I have low blood sugar, I'm not sure, but if I don't eat for like 2 hours I get shaky and sweaty and messed up, so I have to eat like every 2 to 3 hours. Oh my gosh. I think I'm gonna have to just have an apple at least. Because there's only like 40 minutes until 12, so I made it this far. Maybe tomorrow I can make it a little further. How does this work? Like, how do people fast all the time? I don't get it. I cannot do it. I mean, I can, but it's hard as heck. Instead of an apple, I think I might just make myself a green smoothie. Like spinach, ginger, blueberries, and maybe banana. With a lot of ginger, that way I don't taste the spinach. Maybe that can work to hold me off. Guys, I just love food. I need food. Okay, I made this. It's spinach, strawberry, blueberries, ginger, and orange juice. And then I strain it because I don't like seeds. It's gross, but I'm gonna drink it, but it's gross. So my mom and I went on a walk earlier. We went down to the bank and then the dollar store. She went into the drugstore and there was almost no lines at either of them. It's not that great of a day out though, so maybe that's why no one's really outside, which makes it a perfect day for walking because no one's out. Austin and Jess had their baby girl, which is super exciting. So happy for them. Love you guys. Now I'm making dinner for my sister and me. I'm making little steaks with sweet potato french fries and broccoli. For my intermittent fasting, I did okay today. I had a smoothie that I showed you at 11:30. Didn't quite make it to 12, but good enough. And then I had one hash brown patty thing, which isn't healthy, but I needed to eat something. Then we went on the walk, came back home, and then I had an orange, which is really yummy, and a Kit Kat. I ate pretty good today, sort of, kind of. So now I'm gonna have greens, broccoli for greens. I don't know what else. Maybe I'll have another orange or an apple later, or another smoothie. But I kind of need green apples to make a green smoothie, and I don't have any, so I don't know. Anyway, I'm just rambling. My point is I'm trying to be healthier, and it's really hard for me because I don't like sugar. I don't like it. I'm addicted to it, so it's hard. Okay guys, I don't know when you're gonna see this video now because, well, something happened to my channel today and I don't know what's going on. I was watching a vlog and then in the middle of it I realized my account says sign in, and I'll show you. It says sign in right there. So I clicked on it to see like why it said that, and then apparently I think it's a glitch because apparently I violated terms and stuff, and it says my account is terminated, so my account is not even a thing anymore. I don't know what happened. My channel is no longer there, and I don't know what to do. I'm trying not to freak out because I'm like, I know that's not my channel, so it's probably a glitch or something happening right now. But I want my channel back. And I tried contacting them, but I don't really know how. So I don't know what to do right now. I got my channel back. I'm so excited. There was just a bunch of old copyright claims from like old videos because I was with Maker Studios, and from that I went to Epidemic Sound for music, and now that I'm not with that, it's all copyrighted. So I think that was the problem, but anyway, it doesn't matter. I have you guys back. I love you. I'm making some chicken fried rice now because I'm hungry, so I have my oil cooking, my chicken here, my garlic, and the rice. I'm waiting for the oil. No, I should put the garlic in.
Unwanted fat, enjoy easier digestion, have better looking skin.
Alright, you guys have no idea how happy I am to have my channel back. I wasn't worried though because I knew I didn't do anything wrong, so I was calm about it. And it happened yesterday, so it's only been 24 hours, or even less. It was probably less than 24 hours without it, with it being gone. So that's awesome. I'm happy. I love you guys, and I missed you for 24 hours. Like, I couldn't even watch my subscriptions. My channel was just gone. It was scary, but it's okay now. I don't know why I have a lot of problems with my channel, because there's bad channels out there that I don't see getting in trouble. But my little channel in the corner of the internet gets in a lot of trouble for some reason. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. I love you. You guys are the best. Don't forget to subscribe if you're watching this and you're not. And comment down below. Tell me what kind of videos you want to see during this quarantine. And I'll see you soon. Spread kindness like always. See you later.